Mhm. Yes, થોડુંક હવે લાઉડર થશો. કેન નોટ ડુ એની. એકચ્યુઅલી ઘણા લોકોની રિફ્લેક્ટ જ નંબર નથી થતો બીકોઝ ઓફ દે હેવન્ટ પેડ ફીસ. તો જેટલા લોકોનું નથી મેનેજમેન્ટ વોટ દે આર ગોઈંગ ટુ ડુ ધેટ આઈ કાન્ટ. એકચ્યુઅલી તમે લોકો જે અટેન્ડન્સ મૂકો છો બરોબર છે, જે પણ ઓલા પોર્ટલની અંદર આવતી હોય, અત્યારે તો શું કર્યું છે તમે ગૂગલની લિંક આપેલી જ છે, એમાં તો સ્ટોર છે જ ડેટા તમે ધેટ યુ આર ડુઈંગ. આટલા દિવસ શું હતું, આટલા દિવસથી વાંધો નહીં, એક બે દિવસમાં તો એટલો ફરક નહીં પડી જાય. તમે હું એમાં શું કરી શકું, મારા હાથમાં નથી ને. હું બાય ચાન્સ થી અલાવ કરતો હોય બરોબર છે, સો મેનેજમેન્ટ ઇઝ અલાવિંગ મી ટુ ડુ ઇટ ઓર નોટ, આઈ મીન અ ક્વેશ્ચન. ના ના, યુ આર રાઈટ. હા, હું અટેન્ડન્સ લઈ લઉં છું બરોબર છે, ફિઝિકલી યુ આર પ્રેઝન્ટ એન્ડ આઈ એમ ટેકિંગ ધ અટેન્ડન્સ. પણ આ રીતનું મેનેજમેન્ટે મને અલાવ કર્યું છે કે નહીં ધેટ આઈ ડોન્ટ નો. મેનેજમેન્ટ હેઝ ટોલ્ડ ટુ ડુ ધીસ પ્રોસેસ. મારો અલ્ટરનેટિવ એ ઉપર જાઓ, આપણા ઘરમાં યુ કેન આસ્ક ટુ યોર પેરેન્ટ્સ ફોર સર્ટેન થિંગ્સ, but in certain conditions your other colleagues or friends, your brother sister has given permission, but it should be get due permitted by your parents, either mom or dad, right? If it is not, you are answerable always. So I am following the due process always. મને કોઈ વાંધો નથી, just put on it, I will do. પણ આમાં મારાથી ન થઈ શકતું તો હું કરીશ જ નહીં. So management is knowing કે ભાઈ આનું 2 દિવસની અટેન્ડન્સ નથી, પછી શું લોકો ડિસિઝન લે છે. ઇફ દે આસ્કિંગ ટુ મી કે કોઈ વસ્તુ થાય તો હું આઈ મે પરમિટ, અધરવાઇઝ આઈ કેન. Or else better you may ask to HOD. There is always good to do a discussion with HOD. They can direct, not me, for other faculties also. તમે એક એક જણાને પકડો, જવાબ શું મળે કઈ ખબર ન હોય. Better you may ask to the HOD. So yesterday we are talking about the growth curve. We have seen the certain phases, leg, log, stationary. Yes, then after, yeah, up to this we have seen, right? We have started to do certain calculations. So if I may give some example to you, other than that, can you do it? And such example can be asked in the exams. So in Viva, practical time, or maybe in our routine exercises also. So here we are knowing this formula. Nt is equal to n0 2 raised to power n. Some more little which is required to know. One bacteria, here you need to have this formula always. Nt is equal to n0 into 2 raised to power n. So n is what? Here you are looking for the generation. How many generations are there? Then you are looking for their origin number of cells in the populations, division, number of cells in populations. You are looking for at a t time what will be there. So initially, if it is given as a 1000 organism or any number is given, you are looking for the 2 raised to power n. What will be on the nth generation? This n generation is always depend upon one phenomena that you have to remember and recall. If it is for the E. coli, doubling time, it's 20 minutes. Yesterday you have calculated accordingly. I'm giving new some organism. It may be hypothetical or something is there. That organism one has a doubling time for their population growth curve to complete their one growth, their cycles. That is a binary division is going on. Okay, so doubling of the population, organism one is having the 120 minutes. Okay, organism two is having their doubling period as a 360 minutes, and organism 3, just I'm giving the hypothetical, all the numbers are there. Okay, they are having the 480 minutes. Then what will be the, we are looking for about 24 hours number. I'm asking about the NT after 24 hours. So some basic information is given to you that this use this formula to calculate the number of cells in a population after 24 hours. Their population rate generation for the E. coli example is given as a E. coli. Now you are having the 3 different things to be get calculated. Doubling period for organism is 120 minutes. For organism 2 is 360 minutes, and organism 3 is a 480 minutes. Calculate population after 24 hours. Getting the question? You can use calculator, not a problem. Hence, yeah. Yeah. Yes, origin of population. Yeah, sorry. It is 1000. It is 1000. So you are looking to first and first generation. Here we know earlier what we had told that 24 hours you now going to calculate their minutes. Right. Earlier it was what? I have given if the example for the 20 minutes. Okay, one generation. So 1 hour, that is a 60 minutes. How many generations will be gone? 1 to 3 generation. Okay, so if you are looking for it, then in 1 hour, if you are considering, it's a 3 generations are going on. What will be the 24 hours? How many generations will go on? So you have to make a calculations. 1 hour, 3 generation, 24 multiplied by, yeah, 72 generation. So here you have to write what? 2 raised to power as a 72 for E. coli. But now it has changed. You have started with 120 minutes for one generation. Okay. So it is how much? About 2 hours. So what will be at 24 hours? How many generations will go? 12. So you are going to write in this part, NT is equal to, we are looking for N0 is given as a 1000. So 2 raised to power 12. Go and calculate for each, everyone. ત્રણેયના ગણીને કરો for organism 1, organism 2 and organism 3. ત્રણેયના ગણીને એક સાથે બતાવો મને. For organism 1, organism 2 and organism 3. Everyone is going to calculate and I will look afterwards. Getting the questions, everyone, first? લખવાનું છે, આંકડા મને મોબાઈલમાં નહીં દેખાડતા. ત્રણેય થઈ ગયા. Here is 4. How it is coming is 4? 360 means how many hours? You are writing as a 120. So the whole steps, not this. What I have written, drawn, how I have calculated. Two raised to power 12 is 4096. Okay. 360 minutes, 6 hours. 2 raised to 4. Okay. Third, 480. 8. It is equal to n is equal to 12. So it will be, how it is coming to the 4. થાય છે ભેગું કરી નાખ્યું એમ. અરે આ શું આવ્યું? 4 જનરેશન. હા, 12th generation ની અંદર. Okay, so it is coming out 8192. No, it's not 8192. Just a minute. Let me just check. It is 4096. 8192 આવે છે. જોઈ લે ભાઈ, જોઈ લે. ક્યાં પૂછ્યું ભાઈ તારું? બરાબર, આજે ભેગું જ નાખી. ત્રણેય દાખલા એકારે આપી દો. ક્યાં પૂછ્યું ભાઈ? થયું? કાંઈ શું વાતો જ કરતા એવડી ખાલી. અમુકે તો દાખલા કરીને કમ્પ્લીટ કરી નાખ્યું. હજી તો અમુક તો હજી કોણ જાણે હું એસે રાઇટિંગ કરે છે ને, ઘણે કેવું પડે મારે કે કઈક આખા સ્ટેપ લખ. ફોર 0. જનરેશન પૂરી કરે છે. આ છે 360 એ કરે છે, આ છે 480 એ કરે છે. બાઇનરી ફ્યુઝન થતા એને આટલો ટાઈમ લાગે છે. તો 24 કલાકે ટોટલ નંબર છે. 24 કલાકે જ આંકડો ગોતવો છે મારે. એટલે જેમ ડબલિંગ ટાઈમ નાનો, સેલ પોપ્યુલેશન વિલ ઇન્ક્રીઝ. આપણો એમ એન ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ મારે તમને કહેવાનું ઈ છે અત્યારે. I need some magnifying lens, otherwise. Or in some 1, 120, 12, 4, 3, 4, 9, 6, 16, 10, 8. Yeah, okay. So how you calculated this 12, 4, and 3? Manually. Okay. Okay. Fine. Yes. તો આપણે સ્ટીક જ છીએ એટલે હું આંકડા સેટિંગ કરવામાં હેલું પડે નકર ભેગું જ નહીં બધે 1000 જ લેવાનું છે થાય છે ભેગું જોઈએ કેવું ભેગું કેવું શું આવ્યું પેલામાં 4096 153 plus you had a 10 to the power 6. Okay, going good. શું આવ્યું ભાઈ આમાં હા આ શું કર્યું નથી નહીં ભેગું થાય ઓહો હો ના ભેગું કર્યું આણે હજી ઓકે આપણે સીઆર હા હે માસ્ટર થઈ ગયો ક્યાં તારું તારું ક્યાં આ તો મેં જ કેડું આનું ક્યાં ગયું લખ્યું એને લખ્યું બધાય ને અલગ અલગ ચોપડા જોયો ભાઈ આમ નહીં હાલે તારું ક્યાં તારી બુક કઈ કાટ કાટ ઈ જે ને કર્યું હોય સહિયાર વરસાદ બધી જગ્યાએ નો હાલે Yeah, good. You heard done, right? So almost many of them has completed. Let me check if it is not. Yes. What is the answer? Organism 1. Who is to tell? What will be there? You can't calculate? Okay, here you have seen how many generation? First. Okay. It should be, yeah, it's a 120. Yeah, so it's 2 raised to power 12. Second time it's 4, here's 3. So calculate this, 2 raised to power 12. Bye. પેલામાં 2 raised to 12 થશે બરોબર છે પછી બીજામાં 2 raised to 4 ત્રીજામાં 3 થશે કેવી રીતના થયું 12 સુધીનો તો આઈ થિંક મેં ત્યાં કરી નાખ્યું હતું so in first it will be 2 raised to 12 how have you come to know about 2 raised to 12 120 minutes right for a doubling it's a 120 minutes so one generation first generation 120 minutes okay that is a represented as a 2 hours I'm looking for 24 hours so how many okay then after it will be a generation so here is a 2 when you are looking for 24 so it will be about 12 okay you can convert in a minutes the way you are doing it is up to you when you are looking for the 360 minutes just it is like a component 360 means 6 6 okay 6 6 6 hours 60 minutes if I'm looking it's a minute 6 6 so 6 hour it's went over it so I'm looking for how much 24 so 4 generation if you are looking for the 48 how it will go afterwards it's going to increase so you have to calculate first in that way okay how it will go 480 means how much hour yeah it will be a 8 hours 8 into 60 so I'm looking for how much 24 hours so 3 generation will just go so depend upon yes so many kind of bacteria are following this different category so whenever we are looking that generation time whenever our generation time decrease population will increase when generation time increase population will decrease it is just a doubling હજી સમજો અહીંયા આવતા રહ્યો વાંધો ઓકે કઈ વાંધો ઇન્ટરનલ સમજી લીધું હોય તો so such questions can be asked I think you are able to write it you need to show proper steps એમ થોડું હાલ.
જો સિમ્પલ એમાં શું કીધું કે 120 મિનિટમાં એક જનરેશન બરોબર. હા તો 24 કલાકમાં કેટલા? 120 મિનિટ એટલે 2 કલાક છે. હા તો
2 કલાક એક જણા કરે.
24 ડિવાઇડ બાય 2 કર. 12 થયું એટલે 12 લખી નાખો.
2 raised to power સર.
હવે 360 હોય એટલે 4 કલાક 6 કલાક થઈ. 360 ડિવાઇડ.
How do you know the number of microbes? The original number of microbes, how do you know?
Generation time.
Yeah, how?
Yeah. For that we are going to do that growth curve. It is generally experimentally we can calculate. Okay. That is based on OD. We already know that we have added 1000 organisms. We are going to do a spectrophotometric analysis. Growth curve we are going to calculate. Based on that, you can calculate over that time. In our practical sessions, we are going to find it out the generation when it is going to n is generation. Okay, we are looking to calculate generation time. That is based on the logarithmic base. So our practical will be for that purpose only. On that day, I will explain. I will give the only equali only to you. Okay, and generation time you are going to calculate. Right now, I'm not going to discuss about it. On practical day, I will discuss that how to calculate it.
You're questioning the generation of the original number or equalize one. How do they get like 100 of the sample equalize?
Yes. For viable counts, we may need to go for the serial dilution either, or you can go for just a measurement, spectrophotometric measurement. When you are in log to log phase, we are going to learn about it. There are several methods are there for counting the cell. We are going to next step is that one. How to find it out? Yes, spectral count. If you do remember, I have discussed about that colony counter, one plates. Okay, so if you are taking about 100 microliter and spreading over the plate, so each cell we are considered as a colony forming unit. Okay, so once I have taken 0.1 microliter or 0.1 ml into the flask along with on a plate on same together. Okay, whenever I added, on the next day I will observe the number of the cells on a plate. So representative number of the cells I have added in a flask. Okay, so it is a finding out the colony forming units. That is, we are going to consider CFU, and same it is represented in that. So here just for mathematics, that's why I have told that I'm giving some hypothetical example. First you learn hypothetically, then we are going to learn practically even. I will take you for practical analysis, but before that you at least able to understand the theoretical concept. So I hope it's clear till this. Shall I give any other example able to calculate everyone? Calculate now again. Yes, for 24 hours only. Yes, same. For 24 hours, N0 is equal to 1000. You need to find it out NT at 24 hours. Their doubling time, binary fission doubling time is given. For one organism 48, another is a 12, and for organism is 96 minutes. હવે લઈડા રાખો જો બેસી જોઈએ કોણ કેટલા પાણીમાં છે. ઓલું સાવ સહેલું આપ્યું હતું, સીધું કલાકમાં ને મિનિટમાં કરવાનું. $48 one generation.
48 minutes હતું. Total એક દિવસમાં 1448 ડાયરેક્ટ 48 થી divide ન કરતા.
હા, એમ જ કરવાનું હોય, ઈ જ છેલ્લે શીખતા આવશે. So it says 30.
direct લખવાનું કામ છે.
હા, હવે આ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવું પડશે તમારે.
આ સાચું હે ને?
હા, 148 ટોટલ છે ને. હા, તો 24 ની મિનિટ કરી ને આપણે, આટલી મિનિટ 24 કલાકમાં થાય, એ જ રીતના ગણ્યું ને.
આ 30.
હા,
હા,
બરાબર છે.
એટલે ડાયરેક્ટ આવે કે હજી આનો કરતા કાઢી.
હા, હવે આ આંકડો ગોતવો પડશે.
ઈ તો ડાયરેક્ટ આમાંથી મળી
હા.
આવી ગયો. ઓકે, કાંઈ. હા, ઈ જ. ને પછી 107
હા, હવે હું એટલા માટે જ કે જ્યારે આ વસ્તુ થતી હોય ને, we are going to write into power of 10 raised to 1. We are going to do in that way. આ શું થયું? 1073 જ ખાલી આવે.
આવું આ કરું છું 1073.10 આનું આવું આ આવે આવું આવે.
આ વાંચો, ઈ આનો મતલબ આ છે. નવા છે. દાખલા પૂછાય તો ટોપ કરીશ. એક્ઝામમાં આ પૂછવાનું તો તું તીર માર લઈશ બધી બાજુ. How you have calculated 30? Yeah, right. Okay, 630. Yeah. No, it's not minus. It will be a plus. Plus है, plus. हाँ. चलो चलो. Okay. બસ પછી તો તમારે આંકડા જ ગોતવાના છે. કરવા દો બધું, મહેનત કરી. કોણ કેટલા પાણીમાં છે ને ખબર તો પડે. સારી છે એવું કેમ? No, that is right, but we are going to not rise at 10 raised to power માં લખશો. Organism 4. 80? Okay, 30. अच्छा, it's 30. Fine.
અરે યાર, ઓર્ગેનિઝમ 6 હતું મેં 6 મિનિટ.
એટલે જ મેં કીધું કે આંકડો ખબર નહીં બારોબાર હોયો ગયો હે.
પહેલામાં 30, બીજા 120 જનરેશન, થર્ડમાં 15.
બરાબર.
ક્વોલિટીમાં કરી નાખ્યું. આ સમજાય તો ખરા.
How many generation? 30 generation. Here it will be 120. Here it is 15. Sure, I have you. Here it is 30. It should be 120. Yeah, right. It's 120. And here is so it will be a 15. Yeah, 30, 120, 15. Perfect. It's coming 30, 120, 15. Very good. So everyone has started to do their job. Very good. Yeah. First generation 30, 120, 15. Okay, then the for the calculations right. So don't put like this. It will be always advisable that it should be written in 5 point, maximum for 2 digits in a power that I'm going to show now. 3, 6, 20, 15. ઓકે અને છે ને હંમેશા હા ઈ નહીં લખીએ આપણે 10 રેઝ ટુ પાવર ના ફોર્મમાં લખશું માઇનસ ની પ્લસ હો હા થયું ભાઈ generation 30 બોલપેન મારે ઉધારી કરવી પડશે હું ચાવી ચાવીને પતાવી દીધી one should not write in this, it should be written in a power of a 10, so it may be like a 3.2. How many digits are coming that you have to write? એકવાર જનરેશન કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરતા આવડી ગયું એટલે પતી ગયું કામ
જો ઈ
આ શું કર્યું 30 કર્યા છે
ઈ નહીં
હા ડન ડન તારું ક્યાં
+3 કરો.
હારે નહીં તારું ક્યાં
અરે, ઈ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરતો હતો.
બધાને અલગ અલગ પૂછ્યું હવે લખો હાલો હાલે જ નહીં એમ તો હાલે જ નહીં ભાઈ તારી છે કાની હા બસ
મને બુક કાઢી આળસ આવે.
ના ભાઈ ને આળસ વાળાને હું કાઢી મૂકીશ હો બાર એક એક જણા લખે એક એક લખે હો થઈ ગયું ભાઈ આ વખતે ખરેખર હા મારા ભગવાન ના પગે લાગવા જવું પડશે કે નહીં 30 120 15 કેવી રીતના 15 આવ્યા ભાઈ
આપણને 48 મિનિટમાં એક જનરેશન કીધું એને આપણે પેલા કલાક 60 મિનિટમાં એક 60 મિનિટ તો 1 કલાક 48 મિનિટ એટલે કેટલા એનો 0.8 આવ્યો 0.8 માં એક જનરેશન 24 કલાકમાં કેટલા 24 ભાગ્યા 0.8
વાહ હાલો અંડર પ્રોસેસ હીરો બાકી એમ કાંઈ ઘટે નહીં
શીખવાડી હું 1 મિનિટ સારું કહી દઉં
30 12
96
આંકડા શું આવ્યા પછી
છેલ્લે
આંકડા લખો પૂરેપૂરા
પૂરા
10 રેઝ ટુ તો લઈ કઈ 1 પોઈન્ટ લખ્યા પણ એ ખબર શું પડે કરોડપતિ લખપતિ કઈ ખબર તો પડવી જોઈએ ને વેચવા જાવ હોય તો ખબર તો પડે વાહ આને તો લીટા મરાઈ ગયા વેરી ગુડ You done? Very good. હા હા મૂકીશ નહીં કોઈ I just forgot I need to click send. So shall we proceed ahead? Yes. So here one picture is shown. I think I need to rub that. So here they have shown some of the calculations. Number of the cells 1, 2, 4, 8, 6, 12. It's going in double. Number of generation 1, 4, 5. So exponential value. You are going to write it as 2 raised to 3, 4, and 5. So you just release the picturization form is given. Now this picture, or you can directly say, as the cell having their doubling time less, population will be higher after 24 hours. If their doubling time is less or doubling time is very high, it is like maybe 3 hour, 4 hour, 8 hours. Here I have given some terminology in minutes. Same I can give in a hour also. Then also you can calculate. It became more easier. If I'm going to write a 2.4 hour, okay, more or less you are going to able to calculate accordingly, right? So it is just to do a calculations for generation. So whenever the generation time, that is why so many organisms are there, they infect us. It take leg to log phase larger. Maybe they are going to set very well. Afterwards, they are looking for the doubling. We have to see their doubling time, leg to log phase. So when the pathogens are coming, initially they will take a leg phase a lot, and the doubling time if it is higher, 4 hour, 8 hour, or maybe it is sometimes very high, depend on the cell type. Then we does not feel sick very faster, and it may take a months afterwards you are going to get sick or the symptoms may appear. And certain organisms are there very quick. In a log phase, it's maybe having the 40 to 60, 30 minutes or 120 minutes. Generally, for all organism, it is following between 20 to 120 minutes. General, I'm telling. All mesophilic cells are following in that category, 20 to 120 minutes. But so many cells, specifically, when you are looking for extreme of one, because they are living in extreme condition. In the extremity, for their survival and management, it is difficult. So their doubling times is more than 120 minutes also going on. So I have given some versatile hypothetical number. It is not a specific for any organism. I have given some hypothetical number only to you. So accordingly, you can calculate. Right. So this chart is showing that how the doubling is going on. So one small documentary is there related to the same what we have seen.
Bacterial cells do not
How they are
divide by
divided,
meiosis
that is
and
related to
mitosis.
those two, just
Instead, most bacteria grow asexually by a process known as binary fission. In this process, the bacterium copies
they are
its
not
chromosome, elongates,
meiosis or
and splits
mitosis.
off into two daughter
They
bacteria
follow
with a
binary
genetic
cell
makeup
division.
identical
So
to
you
the
can
parental
see that how many
bacterium.
numbers of
Each
cells
daughter
are
cell can
increasing.
continue the doubling process. This process
If I'm going
happens
to say that
rapidly,
on next day
so
you
the
may have
number
the
of
10 lakhs
bacteria
of the cell,
present
now
in a
you will not
solution can
surprise.
increase very quickly.
Right. Or else I may say that yesterday you have done certain works.
Most bacteria
Something is lying on the
reproduce by a
platform.
process
Now you
called
can say
binary
thousands
fission.
of microorganisms may
During
be there
binary
on your
fission, the
either
parental
on
cell
mobile,
divides to
on a
form two
computer
daughter
screen,
cells.
as well as on your place wherever you are touching. Now you can understand. Generally, the cells are following what?
When dormant
20 to
bacteria are transferred
120
to a
minutes.
fresh
When
medium
you are
with
coming
plenty
on
of
next day,
nutrients, they
lakhs,
spend some
or you can
time
say
switching their
thousands of
metabolic
microorganisms are
machinery
lying.
from the dormant state to an
Okay.
actively growing state.
So they are
The
showing
lag
that the lag
phase can
phase,
last
log
from less
phase,
than an hour
stationary,
to
and the egg.
days,
So here you
depending
can
on the
also see
species of
it is
bacteria.
going to touch, not always zero.
During the
After a
log
certain time
phase,
period it
or
may, but
exponential
it is
growth
when you are looking
phase,
for the
the
hours.
bacteria
Now
are
we are going to
actively
calculate
undergoing binary fission.
in
During the
logarithmic
log
value.
phase, the bacteria double their numbers every generation period.
Logarithmic
The
value when we
generation
are
period
looking,
can range
so
from
number
20
of cells
minutes
is
to
increasing.
days,
This
depending on
short
the
we are going to
species.
perform.
As long as there
So
are
here you can
plenty of
see that
nutrients
the
and little
generation
waste
is going
buildup,
on.
the bacteria will
Each time
continue growing exponentially.
number of the
It is
cells are
convenient
getting
to
double.
represent the
16th
growth of the
generation you can
bacteria
calculate
on a logarithmic graph,
very easily.
because the number
If
of
their number is
bacteria
shown
increase
in
very
from lakhs
rapidly
to
with each
crore,
subsequent
you won't
generation. When
say
the
that no,
log
no,
of
it
the
may
number
be
of
here.
cells is
Now
plotted
you have
versus the
calculated by
generation, the
yourself.
graph is linear. After the bacteria have grown for a
When
while,
the cells
and
are
they are
in
starting to
stationary phase,
deplete the nutrients in the growth
the
medium,
doubling
some
and
of the
death
cells begin to die.
will be
The stationary
more or
phase
less
is reached when the
similar.
number of
So
new
its
cells
picturization is showing
equals the
about
number
it.
of cells that are dying.
Some cells are dying altogether,
After the
some are
bacteria have
increasing.
depleted most of their
So
nutrients
number
and their
of the
waste
density
buildup
of
is
the
getting too
log number of the
great,
cells
the
are going to
bacteria
remain
begin to die in
same.
larger numbers than are
What just I
made.
have told
If the
earlier,
death phase
this
is carried on for a
documentary is
long
telling in
time,
form
most
of
of the
a
cells will die.
visualization.
If a cell is to survive, it must switch its
Now they are
metabolism
in
back
death
to a
phase.
dormant state because there are not enough nutrients available for any more growth.
So they have tried to manage themselves. Sometimes they may prepare the sporulating form. Sometimes they may die even. Or some of the cells without nutrition also on a starvation up to certain period can survive. Afterward, there is a no water availability. Depletion is going to happen. Temperature increase and decrease, and they may die. Metabolic activity is lost. Okay, so it's I think over. Yes, another way. Calculator? Yes. Generally in your exams, I'm not so sure how it is been there, but for now you are in after 10 plus 2. So scientific calculator will be allowed. અત્યારે છે કે યાદ કરો જાઓ જાઓ કહું પ્લેટ લઈ આવો અરે
ક્યાં પડ્યા છે? નવી લેબમાં પડ્યા છે?
લેબમાં હશે લેબની કીઝ તમારે પાછું નીચે લેવા જવી પડશે ખબર છે ઓલા એમપી સર હા હા યસ યસ ત્યાંથી કી લઈ લેબમાં જાઓ લેબમાંથી લઈ આવો આઈ થિંક યુ હેવ કેપ્ટ વિચ લેબ MB 515. So MB 515, what temperature was there? What temperature? It was a 28 degree maybe. It should be kept in 37, and the other problems may arise that on the 21st they have kept the fungi. So everything got lost either. Let's see. Yeah, 20. We are going to keep on 37. That's why I told that don't put there. Move in ahead. 518. Let's see if it is get gifted by contaminations. MB 518. 51. Okay. Oh, it's happened. No problem. Yes, I think someone was asking about it, right? How we can able to find it out number of the cell actual. Okay, so this chart is showing about it. Whenever you have declared 0.1 ml, you are going to take hourly some of the sample out of it and going to spread over. So how many colony forming units? If there is a one, estimated cell population is 5,000. It is there. So some calculations you can do from it. So it is regarding the doubling time. I think one more documentary is there. It is more or less similar. Let's see.
Growth
Still they
curve
are
of
coming. We can
bacteria.
see.
At the end of this lesson, you will be able to enumerate the factors affecting the
About 4
growth
to
of
8 minutes.
bacteria. Describe the
That's it.
phases of bacterial growth cycle. Delicious cheese. Spicy pickle. Yummy
Everywhere
yogurt.
bacteria is growing.
These tasteful foods are formed by the fermentation of milk and vegetables by tiny organisms called bacteria. The bacteria break down the sugars in the food to get the nutrients for their growth. On the other hand, rotten fruits, smelly odor of foods, these are the effects of bacterial growth. Thus, it is clear from the above two cases that bacterial growth can either be beneficial or harmful. As an agriculturist, you need to know how to nurture beneficial bacteria as well as control the harmful bacterial growth. The bacterial growth is defined as the process of increase in cell size and cell mass during their development. Let us study the growth curve of bacteria in detail. The growth of bacteria depends on the physical and nutritional factors. The physical factors include temperature, pH, osmotic pressure, hydrostatic pressure, and moisture content of the surrounding environment. The nutritional factors include carbon, sulfur, nitrogen, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, calcium, oxygen, iron,
Next point is
and
this
other
only.
trace elements.
Physical and chemical factors
The bacteria
affecting
acquire
the
energy
bacterial
from
growth.
the nutrients to undergo binary fission, by which one cell divides into two, two divides into four,
So they are
and
going to
so on
utilize the
in a
nutritional material
corresponding
and
pattern.
they are dividing.
The bacterium involved in binary fission is regarded to be in the active growth phase. Bacteria is almost everywhere. Your body carries huge amounts of bacteria that can fill a large soup can. It is highly impossible to monitor the growth of bacteria as they are invisible to naked eyes. Hence, the researchers examine the growth of bacteria by inoculating the viable bacteria in a broth at optimal growth conditions. These bacteria consume the nutrients in the broth and eventually increase in cell size and mass. The bacterial growth is studied by plotting the details in graph, that is, the number of bacteria versus time. The number of bacteria present in broth is calculated by direct microscopic count or by indirect method using a
So we are going to learn direct
spectrophotometer.
and indirect method.
The
That is our next topic.
spectrophotometer is an instrument used to measure the turbidity, that is, the measure of the amount of
Spectrophotometric
light
analysis.
absorbed by the bacterial suspension. The degree of turbidity is directly proportional to the number of microorganisms. When an organism is introduced into a fresh medium like broth, it may take some time to adjust to the new condition. This delayed phase is termed as the lag phase or period of adjustment. During this phase, the cellular metabolism gets accelerated. The size of the bacterium increases, but there is no increase in cell mass as there is no possibility for binary fission. The period of lag phase depends on the previous growth condition of the organism. If the previous growth condition is unfavorable, the organism will easily adapt to the new environment as the nutrients required are readily available for utilization. If the previous growth condition is favorable, the organism takes a long time to adapt as the organism does not necessarily need the available nutrients. It may use it only when required. Whatever may be the condition, once the bacteria acquire the required amount of nutrients, its metabolic activity is found to increase. Thus, the bacteria undergo binary fission and their population increases exponentially at a logarithmic rate. This phase is termed as log phase or exponential phase. The stipulated time required to double the number of bacteria in the medium is called as generation time. It is represented as G and is equal to the time interval in hours or minutes T divided by the number of generation N. For instance, let us consider the number of bacteria in the beginning as capital B and the number of bacteria at the end of the time interval as small b. Thus, growth of bacteria can be expressed as small b, which is equal to capital B multiplied by 2 power n. By simplifying using log, we get log b is equal to log b plus n log 2, where n is equal to 3.3 log b divided by b. Thus, the generation time G is equal to T divided by 3.3 log B by B. Basically, the generation time varies with bacteria. The table reveals the generation time of different bacteria under optimal growth conditions. As the bacteria continue to grow, all the nutrients in the growth medium are used up by the microorganisms
Okay, wow.
for their rapid multiplication. This results in the
Okay.
accumulation of waste materials and secondary
અને
metabolites
28
like
એ ન રાખતા હોય
antibiotics,
ને
toxins,
keep on the
etc.
next
The
28 માં શું છે
antibiotics
fungi
such
હશે
as
fungi
erythromycin and streptomycin formed in this
Yeah, why
phase are used for commercial purposes such as in
ફંજાઈ છે
pharmaceuticals,
ને ગમે ત્યાં
food,
એન્ટર થઈ જાય
and
મૂકશે જ નહીં.
refinery industry, etc. This changes the condition of the medium in terms of pH,
હા બેક્ટેરિયા
pressure,
કોલોની છે વાંધો
etc.,
નહીં. સરસ, ચાલો.
which in turn initiates cell mortality at a slow rate. This death rate is compensated by the formation of new one by binary fission.
No, no, not
Thus,
contaminated.
the
Good.
bacterial count remains
Okay, batch
unaffected at this
successful.
phase.
Just pass it
Hence,
down
it is called
to
as the
others. Yeah.
stationary phase.
Take your
As this
respective
continues,
plates.
at a certain point, the
Your
nutrients
group-wise
get
you may take.
depleted in the metabolic waste products. In addition, other toxic materials in the broth will force the
Here,
bacterium
bubbles and
to
trap
shift to the death phase. Hence, the death rate increases
Pull
logarithmically.
down. Be careful.
The bacterial species that can survive this condition are the spore-forming species, which produce the endospores. By understanding these four phases, the researcher can optimize the conditions required
Ready
for
plates
its
તમારી?
maturity and multiplication. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned so far. When a bacterium is inoculated in a growth medium, the size and mass of the bacterium increases by utilizing the nutrients.
જોઈએ
The
ને
growth
બધાએ
of
કેવા
bacteria
કારનામા.
depends on the physical and nutritional factors of the medium. The complete growth cycle of bacteria in the culture medium
આમાં
includes
તો bubbles જ
lag
છે.
phase, log phase, stationary phase, and death phase.
જામી તો ગયું છે પણ હજી આ કોનું છે શ્યોર કોલોની અમુકમાં નથી વી નીડ ટુ કીપ ફોર મોર 48 hours હા પાછી જ મૂકવી બધી પ્લેટ્સ ઓપન નહીં કરતા યુ આર ગોઈંગ ટુ કીપ ફોર મોર અવર્સ ઘણા એને નથી આવતું નથી દેખાતું એનો મતલબ એ થયો ગરમ ગરમ દજાડી દીધા છે ઓર્ગેનિક બબલ્સ આવી ગયા છે બોલો લોડ કરતી વખતે ઠંડુ થઈ જવા એવું હોય વધારે ઠંડુ થઈ ગયું હોય ને તો બબલ્સ આવ્યા છે આ બધા જે છે ને બબલ્સ છે આ મોટા મોટા આ બધી વસ્તુ છે ને બબલ્સ આવી ગયા તમારે ટાઈમ વધારે વયો ગયો છે અને સેકન્ડરી હા છે તો ખરા ઓર્ગેનિઝમ એન્ટ્રેપ્ટેડ વ્યવસ્થિત જોશો ને તો દેખાય આ દેખાય છે અહીંયા વચ્ચે છે બધાયનામાં હશે એવું છે એ આખી બેચ ને એવું થયું હોય ને એક ને ન હોય આમાંય છે જો અહીંયા છે તમારી પ્લેટ કેંગી તમારી હા છે ને પ્લેટ માં છે હા અમુક છે કોલોનીસ ગરમ ગરમ વધારે નખાઈ ગયું છે આટલાકમાં છે ખરા એમાં ના નહીં આમાં તો છે જ ઘણી બધી હા રી તો ફૂલ હા આ તો એને ઠંડુ થઈ ગયું આમાં છે આ એરિયામાં છે આટલાકમાં આવી રીતના આમ જોશો ને લાઇટમાં રાખીને અહીંયા દેખાય છે આટલાકમાં ઈ છે એટલે છે ખરા હાવ નથી એમ નહીં રાખો કાલે પાછું જોશું બારક વાગે થયું કઈ હા છે તો ખરા છે ઇવનલી સ્પ્રેડેડ છે હા આ તો ગઈ જામી જ ગયું બધું પણ એવું નથી બેક્ટેરિયા આવી શકે જો ટાઈમે નાખ્યું હોય ને તો મને દેખાતા નથી હજી તો થોડા કોઈને આ સાઈડ એવું લાગે છે મને રિયલી ડિફિકલ્ટ આ બાજુ થોડા કોઈને એવું લાગે છે હા યસ ત્યાં પ્લેટ્સ બતાવો ને મને રિયલ પ્લેટ્સ માં જ જોઈએ ને આમાં હું છે હા બધી કોલોની છે ઓલ આર કોલોની
આ બધી કોલોની છે પણ અહીંયા જે આ સોલિડ પાર્ટ છે જ્યાં પૂર્જ જ નથી ઈ શું હોય
બસ મીડિયા એટલું સોલિડિફાય થઈ ગયું હોય અને એટલા એરિયામાં કોલોનીસ તો છે જ અહીંયા પણ છે કોલોની નથી એવું નથી
ખાલી દેખાય નહીં
એમાં શું ઘણી વખત બહુ જાજા ઓર્ગેનિઝમ થી ગયા હોય ને તો ન્યુટ્રિશન્સ ની ડિપ્લીશન્સ થાય એટલે એક સાથે થાય એટલે બીજા દિવસે જે અહીં લોન ગ્રોથ જોવા મળશે if for 1 more 24 hours કાલે આજે આ પ્લેટ્સ ને બધાને પાછી લોક કરીને મૂકી દો ના સરસ આવ્યા છે આવી જ છે કોલસો નહીં
આ વખતે વેસ્ટ થયું ન થયું?
નહીં નહીં 80% સક્સેસફુલ 2-3 જણાને જ નથી હરખું આવ્યું એવું કહી શકું I hope it's done.
Growth
So put your attendance and yeah, whenever I'm asking for the attendance, right? Some people are keeping it at 12 o'clock, right? So it is like a 8:30 to 9:30, right? Maximum I will take your attendance up to 9:45. 15 minutes maximum I may allow. Afterward, your attendance will be there, but I'm not going to consider. Maximum I can give 10 to 15 because 9:40 you are having the 10 minutes window period, right? So afterwards in the next class you should not open it. So maximum is 9:40. 9:40 is a time period to put your attendance. You can during the lecture time you can put maximum 10 minutes is granted. Yes, so now close it. Yeah, we are going to just incubate again. Okay. We are going to observe once again on the next day. Some people have not got some colonies because some reasons could be that it may be a somewhat hot and you have cold. Then it is a one problem. Few only got bubbles. That means they maybe have waited more before pouring. But successful rate is 80%. I can consider for whole class. That's good. Now improving. But it's not like that you are not going to do once again. Yeah.